Welcome back to Vlogmas. So today I'm gonna bake with my little sweet dumpling. She's already trying to get down because I have stuff on the counter. But today I'm gonna bake cookies with my sweet baby. Mama, have you ever baked cookies before? Have you baked cookies before? Tell mommy the truth, huh? We are gonna be making some homemade chocolate chip cookies. Baking is not one of my specialties. Like, I know I can bake, but I don't make things like from scratch unless it's like apple crisp. But anyway, I did get this recipe from Tasty. I love everything that they put on their site and on their social media. So I will link their recipe, I will link their recipe down below in the description box. You guys wish us luck because Aniya is an active little baby and I'm hoping that she is going to cooperate. Mama, I'm hoping, here she go. I'm hoping that she is going to cooperate, but I don't know how this is going to go. I'm pretty sure it's going to go much better than when Henry and I made those daggone hot chocolate bombs. If you guys didn't see that video, you guys thought it was hilarious, I will link it up here in the card so that you can check that out first before watching this one, and then come right back to check this one out. So let me get this one together. I am about to, there we go. I'm about to get everything set up and then I'll show you guys what we're working with. So let's tell everybody what ingredients we have, mommy. We got our big mixing bowl. Yes, you already found that. We have some, look at this, some brown sugar, light brown sugar. We have some all-purpose flour. Yeah, you're gonna help mommy in just a second. We have some mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are the Ghirardelli brand. You wanna have a little chocolate chip? Little mini chocolate chip. Okay, we have some melted butter. We're gonna add some chopped walnuts in ours. It's gonna be really good. We have some regular white sugar, an egg. Can you help mommy crack an egg later? You wanna hold on to that? And some pure vanilla extract. I'm scared you're gonna break this, mama. So let's go ahead and get started. Can you help mommy? You wanna help mommy pour this into the bowl? Yeah, grab the sides. Grab the sides, let me see. And then you just tilt it. Oh my God, Henry. She trying to put her mouth up to the butter fountain. Look, mama, okay. Look, hold it just like this. With your right hand. Hold it with your right. Oh my God, oh my goodness. Y'all help me out. So let's just pour the butter into the thing. We're gonna use that next, okay? Can you help mommy with the regular sugar? Can you hold this? Let me see. Let me roll up the sleeves. Y'all, I knew this is gonna be a trip. Let's go ahead and help mommy pour. Maybe you wanna do the brown sugar? Hold it. You hold it. Hold it just like this. Look, hold it just like this. Hold it just like, okay. You wanna hold the vanilla? Okay, you take the vanilla, mommy will pour the brown sugar. Look what mama's doing. You wanna pour the other one, the white sugar? You wanna pour the white sugar? Oh my God. Oh my God. Help mommy pour the white sugar. Can you do it with me? Can you do it with me? Oh. Okay, there we go. Now put it inside. Put it inside. Put a little bit on the inside. All right, mommy gonna do the rest. You see? Okay, maybe you will be better help with this. Look, mama. Look, mama. Look, mama. Oh my goodness. What is that? Is that exciting? Look, mama. Wow, help mommy. Help mommy. Aniya is 2 seconds away from being over it. You wanna help mommy? Look, press this. Press this. Good job. Good job, Aniya. Wow. Are you mixing? Help mama. Are you mixing? Wow, Aniya's mixing. Oh. Well, mommy, are you gonna help? All right, so this was one of your one of the parts that you wanted to do. How about you help mommy crack an egg? Okay, there we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Look, grab it. And then we just tap, tap, tap. Hold on. And then you just, look, mama. Hold the egg and you go tap, tap, tap. Wow, you did it. You did that. Look at what you did. You let the egg out. So wait, what do we do after that? All right, so now we gotta add in, we added in our egg into the sugar mixture. Now we're gonna add in our vanilla extract. You were excited about this. Maybe mommy let you pour this one too? All right, can you help mama? Help mama. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Big girl. Okay. Now we're gonna whisk a little bit more. Wow. Oh my goodness. You are doing so good. You are doing so good. Wow. What? Okay. Okay. All right, honey. All right, honey. Are you over this? Wow. To add in our flour. Can you help mommy add it in? No? Okay. You want to add the rest? You want to help mommy add the rest? No? Oh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh. So, Aniya has become uninterested. So, I'm going to go ahead and fold. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm gonna go ahead and fold the flour and everything in. So this is what the cookie dough is looking like right now. I don't like a lot of chocolate in my cookies, so I didn't put that many, and that's also why I got the mini chocolate chips, so that it's not too much. So now it says we need to let the dough rest for 30 minutes, and then we can, you know, form them into little balls and put them in the oven. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, so it has been about, well, we're supposed to give it 30 minutes. I think I'm giving it an hour. They say that the longer that you let it chill, the more the flavors will like develop. But here is what the cookie dough looks like right now, and it actually smells really good. It smells just like regular cookie dough. I've never made cookies homemade before, so excuse me if I am just like so excited. So I have lined this huge baking pan that I have with parchment paper, and I already started putting the cookies out. I am just using a little tablespoon measuring spoon, and that's how I am measuring out the cookies. Aniya had to excuse herself. She was tired and cranky. So I put her down for a nap, and I will get her back up so that she can try a little cookie. I'm so excited for her to have her first little cookie. But in the meantime, I'm about to go ahead and put the rest of these cookies on the baking sheet and get them in the oven. Alright guys, here are all of our cookies on our little baking sheet. So I'm about to put these in the oven and let these cook, I think for like 12 minutes. Alright y'all, here are what the cookies look like. I think they look So cute. I think they turned out really, really well. And I took them out a few minutes early just so that they can be nice and chewy while the edges are crispy. I got this cute little coffee tin. I said, Lord help me. I got this cookie tin from Target, and I'm just gonna pop all the cookies in here and let them cool down, and then Aniya and I can eat one together. Alright, so Aniya was asleep last night when the cookies came out, so I'm gonna let her try a piece, but it's just gonna be a small piece because one, I wish she would have tried it last night when it was a little bit softer, and I also cut off the edges as well. Hold on, mama. Alright. Ready? Are you eating a cookie? You like it? Do you like it? You like it? See what I mean, y'all? See what I mean? I tried not to give her a piece with her. Oh, no, it must not have been. I knew a nut, the walnut would be a little hard for her to chew. Y'all see how she reached in her mouth to try to take it out? Was that good? Was that your first chocolate chip cookie? You want another little bite? Is it good? Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Say see you in the next vlog. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You saying bye-bye? Bye-bye. Let me see you wave. You want to wave and do it?